Correct balance on the asset register. An asset register showed a carrying amount of $16,865. A non-current asset costing $3,750 had been sold for $1,000, making a loss on disposal of $313. No entries had been made in the asset register for this disposal. What is the correct balance on the asset register? Answer: gain, loss, on disposal equals proceeds minus carrying amount of disposal. Carrying amount of disposal equals proceeds minus gain, loss. Balance B over D, $16,865. Less carrying amount of non-current assets sold, $1,000 plus $313, $1,313. Total, $15,552.